Hi, my name is Brian. Welcome back to our how-to series on industrial sewing machines. If you're experiencing skip stitching, breaking of thread, or just poor stitch quality, it may be time for you to change your needle. Using the reliable 3300 SD, we are going to show you how to change your needle. Make sure the needle bar is at its highest height. When removing the needle, turn the screw counterclockwise and then bring the needle straight down. When looking at the needle, you'll see a long groove down one side. That faces to the left. On the other side, just above the eye of the needle, you're going to see a cutout which is called the scarf. That faces to the right. Insert the needle. There is a hole in the needle bar, so you can see that the needle is all the way up. Tighten the needle bar screw, turning clockwise to the right. Do not over-tighten the screw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For any information on needles and replacement parts, check out the description below.